If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon, only then you get notification of all my future videos. Namaste, Vanakkam, Namaskaram, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope everyone is doing great. So for the first DIY, I am taking here this wooden chakla or the roti maker which we have in our Indian house. So this is pretty old one on which I have drawn a woman's face and I am going to paint it with fabric colors. I am just using a cloth to wipe out the extra paint because I am just going to use lighter shades here. I am not going to make very darker shades. So I am just wiping off the extra paint like this. For the face I am using orange along with brown color. I actually forgot to show you guys this wooden chakla. You can see it's a pretty old one. And for the hair I am using brown and white mixed with brown and white color. So friends, I wanted to share with you guys a recent poem which I read on smile. A smile is quite a funny thing. It wrinkles up your face, and when it's gone you will never find its secret hiding place. But far more wonderful it is to see what smiles can do. You smile at one, he smiles at you, and so one smile makes two. So always keep smiling, friends. Whatever is the situation, always handle it with a smile. So now we are going to do the eyebrows and eyes, and also I will use black for the outline. How can we complete a modern woman without lipstick? So let's do her lips. So for that I'm using here pink and red together, and you can see the color has turned out quite beautiful. Now let's do her eyes and teeth. That completes our first DIY. So guys, do let me know how it looks in the comment section below. I like the way it has turned out. So for the second DIY, I am taking here these geo boxes which I had with me. So I am going to use this primer which we use for the walls. This is actually Asian paint which we use for the wall. So I am just going to coat the entire box with the primer. So this step is optional. You can just avoid the primer and directly you can color the box. You let the primer dry and you can apply the color of your choice. I am using here teal color. So I'm going to apply it for the entire box, including the inside of the box. So friends, once you complete painting the boxes, allow them to dry overnight, and you can see once the boxes are dry, this is how they look. You can see the color looks so beautiful on the boxes. To make the boxes more attractive, I am taking here some strips from the white cardstock, friends. So I am just going to stick them like this. I'm just going to stick this cardstock on the front of the box. So I'm just making sure which is the back side and front side of the box before sticking. So after sticking the cardstock, this is how the boxes look. So friends, you can see even the inside of the box looks so good. So to give some finishing touch to these boxes, I'm going to use this liquid embroidery, and I'm going to keep some gold dots like this. So friends, after keeping these dots, allow them to dry overnight. So friends, our second DIY is also complete. So now let's do the DIY home office setup. So friends, this is the space I'm going to utilize for my home office setup, and this computer table I already had for a long time, like it's almost going to be 10 years, but it's pretty good in condition. So first let me place my DIY chakla here, and these dolls I got from DLF when I was working in IBM. These look so pretty. And then I'm going to place our DIY boxes in which I have stored some of my craft items like this. So I'm just going to place one box and on it another box like this. And here I'm using a mat like this, on which I'm going to place my laptop. And on the laptop I'm going to use this crochet embroidery work which was done by my mother's mother. So you can see it's almost 50 to 60 years old. And on the side I'm adding a money plant like this. So I'm just going to place another money plant here in just a water bottle. And on the boxes, on our DIY boxes, I'm placing this cute little doll. So in the space where we keep CPU, I'm just placing a money plant like this. So this DIY is one of my favorite, which my mom and I made almost 15 years back. I just repainted it. I made a similar showpiece recently. I will share the link in the description box. And then I am going to place this pen stand. So I needed some organizer, for which I have taken a plastic basket like this, which I repainted it with Asian wall paint white. Don't forget to apply water-based varnish after you paint it with the Asian paint. So I have placed some paints in there and some craft items, and I'm going to use it here. And beside that, I'm going to place a candle like this and a small little heart. So on the table, I'm just going to place my diary in which I note down all the YouTube ideas I do. And on the wall, I'm just going to hang this bamboo wall hanging. So this is a chair I have now. So to make it look better, I'm adding here this crochet embroidery, which was also done by my amama. And on the chair, I'm adding in the stool, which was given to be by my sister. It is almost 10 years old. She got it from US. And then I'm adding in a cushion. And here is the final look, guys. So friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up because it motivates me to do more such videos. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking on that ting 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 bell icon. Only then you will get notification of all my future videos. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye.